What's up, fam? Finally arrived in Portugal. First time naming lahat. Really gonna explore this city kasi wala kaming itinerary. May mga nag-search sa kanila. Hindi na lang yung siguro yung puntahan namin. But anyway, nagkaroon kami ng problema sa airlines namin. Medyo maarte sila. So, kanina naglipat-lipat kami ng luggage. But we tried, enjoy this. And another addition to memories of traveling. Enjoy my vlog here in Portugal. Harps you! Ang magpapahirap sa aming lahat, cobblestones. Change our clothes. Ako lang pala. Grabe ang hirap dito. Cardio kasi puro uphill and downhill. Tapos cobblestone. Yung lalakaran nyo, it's a lot harder than the usual yung pantay lang. Yes. So, yeah!
English yarn!
Ang mahirap dito, if you have your luggage with you, tapos dadaan kayo sa mga ganyang pataas, good luck guys. Going here! Mercado Crafts Market. Oh no! Bina, kaya pa? Ha? Kaya? Hey fam! Nag-explore lang kami a bit and had lunch. Sobrang sarap ng lunch namin, diba? As you watched sa previous clips. And then, now we're back finally. Kasi ang check-in nila dito ay 4 PM. So now, time check, it's already 4:30. So perfect. Nilinis nila. Tapos finally, yung sala, ginawa nilang bed for me. Kasi may bed na silang lahat. This is my bed. Super nice. Look. Diba? Pumawi tayo dahil sa previous hotel natin wala tayong room and also dinadaan-daanan ako. O ngayon, I have my own space. Super nice. Anyway, I bought a sticker, another addition for my Rimowa luggage. Okay, so this one is nakalagay Portugal since it's my first time here. Parang dapat pala Porto yung binili ko. Pero anyway, ayan. Sobrang lamig dito guys. I mean, Tagaytay levels or pwede na rin Baguio levels. Ganun. Naghanap ako ng medyo manipis na sticker. Kasi itong sticker na nabili ko kanina, kahapon, sa Barcelona, medyo makapal siya. So, hirap siya dumikit. So, I don't know kung makakita pa ako ng Barcelona sticker. Ayan siya, yung Barcelona, yung kulay brown. Now, magbibihis ulit kami para mag-dinner kami later sa may malapit sa church. Sobrang ganda ng church nila guys. And sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang laid back nung place. Tapos malamig pati. Ito yung mga countries na masarap puntahan ng ganitong season. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang mag-worry about yung susuotin mo. Kasi hindi masyado mainit. Hindi masyado malamig. Pwede kang umout. Hindi ka tulad sa Barcelona. Ang init. Anyway, thank you guys. See ya. Out to have dinner.
Class dito.
Lovebirds. Na all. Oh yes. Mga Tagaytay levels. No? I brought a jacket with me. hoodie in case, but di naman ako sobrang lamigin. Parang pinagsisisihan ko nga na dinala ko pa yung hoodie ko. But anyway, yeah. Super nice. Love the view. Look, a beautiful city.
So guys, we're now here sa, di naman alam ko anong street, pero nahirapan kami maghanap ng kakainan kasi it's a Saturday night. Syempre, ang daming tao, laging puno yung mga restaurants. Meron namang ibang mga open na meron pang bakante, pero yung magagandang ambience, like yung nagbabusking, meron yung parang nagpa-perform, ganyan, punuan talaga. So ngayon, we ended up eating at Walk to Walk. We accidentally passed by here sa Walk to Walk. And actually, it's my first time to try. Then, na-try ko na siya kasi nung nasa Spain kami, nag-take out sila, dinala nila ako ng food. But right now, I wanna see it in person kung paano nga ba wino-walk. So, Larby, ano masasabi mo?
Ako may pinakamasarap na order.
Ay, wow.
I ordered rice, chicken, egg. In short, donburi yung tawag.
Japanese.
And Korean.
Sabi, sobrang sarap. Hindi ako fan ng egg tart or kahit anong tart. Pero ito, sobrang solid. It melts in your mouth.
Sarap. Good morning, guys. It's our first full day here in Portugal. I just took a bath and nagbihis na. I think 8:30 a.m. Nagbuhol-buhol yung jewelries ko, guys. Tingnan mo. Buhol-buhol na siya. I'll be wearing this one and all white lang. White shoes. And my bag from Celine. Puro coins. But anyway, we can explore the place. Actually, medyo maliit na town lang siya. So, parang ma-explore mo na lahat ng spots. Malamig din dito, guys. Better, bring jacket kung ganito. Once kayo pupunta mga September, it's cold. Lalo na kapag gabi. Yung Airbnb din namin, walang aircon. Also, gonna change my aligners. This one is from Urban Smiles. Gonna be wearing this today, September 4 hanggang 18. There you go. Medyo masikip na naman to. Ay, hindi. Let's go! This is my look. Just all white. With this shirt from H&M. This one is from Zara. And then, my pants is also from H&M. My favorite white shoes and my new bag. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's explore Portugal. Dito kami, every day. Hanggang dun sa baba. Hi!
Gusto ko pinagto ang Paris ng people watching. Yung mga upuan nakaharap sa street. Sarap!
Gusto ko rin yan, ha? Ito.
Buenos dias. So we're going to the bridge now and grabe ang dami na naming shooting spot na napuntahan. Ang the best pa rin will be the bridge for sure kasi dun talaga yung mga nasa postcards. So dun kami pupunta. Grabe yung vibe dito as in may mga ganyan silang outdoor, mga alfresco dining na yun talaga yung siguro para sa akin it's also an attraction kasi ang ganda niyang tignan, nakaka-relax. Parang as in gusto mo talaga mag-dining once you get here. Let's go! Ito ang construction na maganda pa rin tignan. Hayop ka, gumaganti ka ha. Mga malululain.
Paano na kapag skydiving?
Lulula daw siya. Look at my hair. Parang binlower. Ang lakas ng hangin dun. Finally got the shot for the bridge na POV. Pero ito yung gusto naming puntahan kasi ayan yung iconic view with the church and the tower. Tapos meron din silang cable car. Ayun o, nakikita nyo ba? Going up there for this shot. Yung view na yun. For the shot, we need to go there. For this shot. We're now going down from here. Going down. Going here. And then, para makababa kami doon to get this beautiful shot with that bridge. We are finally here inside Taylor's Port. It's a winery tour. Nag-avail kami for 15 euros. And then, bibigyan ka nitong parang remote control wherein you can hear different languages nagna-narrate about Taylor's Port. So, yung history nila. And then, you are not allowed to video clients or staff. It's a huge port actually. Medyo malayo-layo pa. Nasa 1 pa lang kami. Room 1. So, every room has a number. So, i-click mo lang yun tapos lalabas siya. We're finally here sa number 2. And look guys, since mahilig kami mag-wine, this is interesting for us na makita yung as in winery place talaga kung saan or paano ginagawa at ini-store yung wine bago siya i-release sa market. Hola, nasanay na ako mag-hola. Whenever you enter a, what do you call that? Establishment, mag-oola sila sa mga restaurants or mga, basta mga places or tindahan, kahit saan. Hola, ganun sila. Mag-white wine kami here sa baba. Kanina nandun kami sa kabilang side. Sobrang nice ng view with lots of tourists and local. We are back in our hotel and that was a good wine chill time, no? And I bought a new sticker. It says Porto. Kasi since Portugal yung nabili ko and pupunta pa kami ng Lisbon and it's also part of Portugal, mas maganda na meron akong Porto na sticker talaga. It's fun to put stickers talaga in your luggage. It means marami na siyang pinagdaanan. There you go! Later, we'll have dinner and also maglilipat na ako ng files. See ya! Hey fam, bought some food for our dinner from Walk to Walk. Yan yung kanila. But this one is mine. Chicken. With egg. 1 bottle of wine kasi dito na kami inom. And some chips. Ayaw namin lumabas. Parang kukunin ni Lord. Sasa? What's up fam? Good morning. Currently packing now. There. My stuff. Because we are leaving Porto. We're going to Lisbon today via train. And I can say we really had pretty much time to explore Porto. We really enjoyed it. I think 1 to 2 days is enough. We had 1 full day, 2 half days. So, it's a small city lang, so you can really explore it. It's very beautiful. I'm so excited to explore Lisbon. Ubusan na ako ng damit kasi yung ibang damit ko pang Paris na. And Amsterdam kasi malamig. Maybe I'll shop in Lisbon na lang. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for always supporting and enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me. And of course, your comments are valid and lagi ko yan binabasa. And I'd appreciate if you'll leave a comment. And I loves you. I loves you. Since we don't have elevator, bubuhatin lahat yan. From here, going down. Ang agang breakfast.